Hey guys, welcome back for another video. So we got a couple of these raised beds on Amazon. I'm gonna get one of these assembled for you guys. I just want to say they had excellent reviews. They look like they'd be great for, a great addition to our garden. So we have two more coming. They're a little bigger than this, different brand. I'll drop a video on them too, so stay tuned for that. I'll put all links into the description, guys, so check this out. That seems pretty durable. Pretty nice metal. It's got holes in it for all of them to attach to one another. It's going to be a little bit of work putting it together, but we should get many years out of it. I don't think it can rust. That's a plus. So those are our curved sides. We got our instructions, certificate warranty, and then our flat pieces here. That's what's in the box, guys. Be very careful with this. It's very sharp. Feels like, yeah, you could definitely cut yourself with this piece here. So there's a little bit of a burr on there, so be very careful with that. The wife got me this for Father's Day a couple years back. I didn't really want to use it, but we're using it on the wing nuts for this raised bed here. So this little thing's awesome. Check this out, guys. A lot easier on your hands using this little guy. All right, guys, got her all assembled. Everything's nice and tight. It's pretty solid. Pretty nice solid frame. We'll see how long she holds up. I think it will last a while. It seems like it's rust proof. I think it's stainless steel. Pretty sweet, not bad. Nice pretty brush finish on there. All we need now is plants.